Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a magic ring. The way I learned is you wrap the yarn around your index finger 3 times. Then you take your hook, adjust the yarn if you need, but insert that hook through all 3 loops like so. Pull the back loop through all 3 loops. And there you have a ring, and then your pattern may require a number of chains. For demonstration purposes, I will just chain 2. And then your pattern will call for you to make a number of stitches in that chain. So what I'm going to do is make a few double crochets in the chain. Once you have made the number of required stitches within your magic loop, you take the loose string and you pull to close that loop. You may have to make a few little adjustments here and there, but once you get it closed, you now have your circle and ready to start your project, whatever that may be. You want to make sure that you close up that circle and then begin your project. I hope this was helpful to you. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll talk to you later.